Smart Inbox AI has just been released, and it's already making waves in the AI software space. In this review, we'll break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge tool. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or just someone looking to streamline your email and communication, this software is a game changer. Stick around to the end because we'll reveal a little-known feature that could save you hours of work each week. Before we dive in, you can try Smart Inbox AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, this is one tool you won't want to miss. First up, Smart Inbox AI is all about efficiency. It's an AI-driven email and communication assistant that organizes, prioritizes, and optimizes your inbox like never before. You no longer have to waste time sifting through endless messages. Smart Inbox AI scans your inbox, learns your preferences, and highlights the most important emails. It automatically categorizes incoming messages so you can focus on what matters. Another major feature is its auto-reply capability. With Smart Inbox AI, you can set up personalized auto-replies based on the context of incoming emails. Whether you're away on vacation or just need to acknowledge an email quickly, Smart Inbox AI takes care of the response for you. This feature alone could save hours every week, especially for busy professionals who deal with a high volume of messages. Now let's talk about the AI's predictive features. It doesn't just learn your preferences, it anticipates what you need next. For example, if you regularly reply to emails with specific phrases or attachments, Smart Inbox AI will suggest them at the right time. It makes your workflow smoother and faster by anticipating your next steps, saving you from having to search for files or retype common responses. One thing I really appreciate about Smart Inbox AI is its deep integration with other tools. It doesn't just work in a vacuum. Whether you're using Google Workspace, Outlook, or other platforms, it syncs seamlessly to provide a unified communication experience. This means less toggling between apps and more focus on getting things done. In terms of user interface, Smart Inbox AI keeps things simple and intuitive. You don't need to be a tech expert to take full advantage of its features. It's designed to make life easier, not more complicated. You can get started with just a few clicks, and the learning curve is minimal. Another standout feature is Smart Inbox AI's security. You're probably wondering how an AI can manage your emails without compromising your privacy. Smart Inbox AI uses end-to-end encryption to ensure that all your data is secure. It also offers granular control over what the AI has access to, so you can feel confident that your information is safe. Lastly, Smart Inbox AI is always evolving. The team behind it is continuously working on updates and new features. With AI technologies moving so quickly, you want a tool that stays ahead of the curve. Smart Inbox AI does just that by releasing frequent updates to enhance functionality and keep you ahead of the game. To recap, Smart Inbox AI is a powerful AI tool that promises to revolutionize the way you manage your inbox. From automated replies to predictive features and seamless integration with other tools, it's a complete solution for anyone looking to streamline their communication. If you're ready to save time and improve your productivity, I highly recommend you try Smart Inbox AI for free by clicking the link below. And don't forget, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and Smart Inbox AI is one of the best. You can find my top AI software recommendations in the description, and I'm confident you'll find something that suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.